One of the things that people always say about the professions of speech and occupational therapists, or therapy rather, is they're really stable, right? That they have really stable, well-paying professions. And that's true, but what you trade for that stability means that there's not a lot of upward mobility. So you don't have a lot of opportunities to increase how much you're making over time. And the way that most SLPs and OTs are paid in schools and hospital settings is by the salary ladder, which means that you get raises for the amount of time that you stay in the profession, not necessarily because you are working harder or because you're a better therapist or anything else. It has only to do with time. And that's kind of like a carrot that they dangle over your head, right? So sometimes people will say, I can't leave the schools because of my pension, because I'll be able to make $90,000, $100,000, but it's going to take you 30 years to get there. Do you have 30 years to stay at the same job and to work up to that amount of money, where instead you could start your practice and be able to make $100,000 in like 1 or 2 years because you're getting paid more per client versus paid per caseload?